Hey kids, how are you? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Ready to learn another new and interesting lesson with me? So today we are going to learn about singular nouns. So singular nouns are nouns which are used for denoting one person, place, thing or an idea. For example, a pen, a pencil, a table, a chair and many more. So why don't we see some examples and make the concept of singular nouns clear? So Rudy, what will be the correct option in the first sentence?
A woman.
No, a woman will be the correct option because woman represents one female but women represents many female. He wants this toy car or this toy cars. What will be the correct option?
He wants toy car.
Correct. Because toy car is a singular noun and toy cars is a plural noun. A cat or a cats enter the kitchen. What will be the correct option?
Cats enters.
No, again you are wrong. A cat enters the kitchen because cat is a singular noun but cats is a plural noun. So correct option will be cat. So I hope you're very clear that what are singular nouns. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.